Hey guys, how's it going? I got my Boxycharm in the mail I think last week, and thought that I would film a video of me showing you everything that's in it and trying it on. So I have looked inside to see what I needed to do otherwise. So I already have my foundation, blush, bronzer, contour on. And that's it. And I'll show you what I got in my box. Now, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm, it's a subscription box. It's like $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. You don't get to choose what you want. You can't really curate it. I think they're starting that, but I haven't received any emails about that. Sorry, apparently running to my bathroom was all the exercise I needed today. I can't breathe. And every month there's a different theme. The theme this month is Boxy and Chill. So it always comes with one of these little flyers. It talks about the different products that you get, and then there's usually like a sale, like a deal, discount sort of thing for one of the products. This one, there's like a free gift with purchase at Tatcha.com, because there is a Tatcha sheet mask. Actually, there's two. It also in here, I don't know if I said this, it lists the price of everything if you were to go out and buy this stuff. So the first thing is these Tatcha sheet masks. It's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. It came with two. I already used one. And oh, my cats are fighting. So yeah, I used one the other night when I was taking a bath, and it's good. It's not groundbreaking. I didn't notice like a huge difference in my skin, but it was nice. Like, I was very luminous. So that's cool. I like that. Those retail for $12 a piece. So that alone was $24. I might have to do math at the end of this to tell you how much it all was worth, because I didn't do that before I started filming. The next thing, I don't know if I'm going to use this. It's the Starlux, never heard of Starlux, Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil in Brown. I only use cruelty-free makeup, so when I get something in Boxycharm that isn't cruelty-free, I donate it to friends or family, or I set it aside to donate to like a women's shelter. So I don't want to open this, and I don't know anything about the brand, so I'm just going to set that one aside. Next thing I've got, is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask. It's a Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Retails for $16. Says the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. I could probably use this. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, and then the next two things, so these are what you're gonna see me use. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. I don't want to blind you. Oh, there goes that. The only matte shade is this guy over here. So I don't know that I'm gonna be able to complete a look with this. I'll try. I can try. I am capable of trying. Okay, so we'll do that on the eyes, and then the lips. This is going to be intense. It's the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipsticks in Havana Nights. I love the formula of Ofra liquid lipsticks, if I could speak. So it's really just the color that I'm pushing pause on, because, yeah, it might be a little dark for me. But you never know, so I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so there's nothing for brows. I didn't do my brows because I knew for some of the boxes there was a variation that included a brow product. So I will do that. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows now. Okay, so now I'm ready to do the eyes. We're going to go in with just a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the matte shade and try to see if this will work in as a transition shade. I'm gonna go ahead and use, oh crap, I dipped into the wrong shade. It's early, it's like, I don't know what time it is. Oh, I think I was up at, my cat tried to wake me up at 4 o'clock this morning because he's a butthole. I don't know if that's doing anything. It's such a light color, but I think maybe it can be built up. I'm not seeing any color payoff with that, so I am going to go into a palette that has some mattes. Okay, so I'm going to try just with that one shade to see if I can complete the rest of the eyes just with this. And I'm actually going to swatch some of these to see what I want to use. I like the feeling of these. They're really like, they just have like a nice buttery sort of texture to them. Like almost creamy, but not. Okay, so there's the swatches. I'm going to go with the brown. And I might just take it on my finger and then buff it out with a brush. I thought that I could do it, but I can't. I'm gonna go into this, gosh, I don't wanna hurt. I don't wanna blind you. This shade here, and a brush. There, I feel like that helps a little bit. It's not completely necessary, but okay, I like that better. It's those little changes that make a difference. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to just kind of repeat what we did up top. It is. So I'm going back into these two colors here on like a kind of a fluffier brush. I'm going to take that same brown. Okay. I'm gonna pop on some mascara really quick to finish off the eyes. So it is, I like this palette. It's good for just easy, quick looks. You know, like this looks put together and you don't need a ton of skill to do it. Okay, so now we're gonna use the Ofra liquid lipstick. I'll do a swatch of this so you guys can get an idea of what the color looks like. So that's it. I cannot promise that I will keep this on. I should have a more positive attitude though. I mean, maybe it'll be amazing. You never know. Okay, I have lip balm on. I still have lip balm on. Okay, say a prayer that this will be good. I know I like the formula. Holy smokes. Ooh. It's very vampy. Is it on my teeth? Oh, shoot. Shoot. Wow. Oh, I might actually really like it. Ah! Oh, no. Oh, well, it's everywhere. It's all over my hand. It's on the cap. I don't know why. It's a little streaky, but I like it. Oh, who is this? New Lips. Who dis? Wow. All right, I totally spoke too soon. I like it. Oh, ooh. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Oh, the mascara under my eyes is not great. Okay, you guys, that is the two products that I can demo for you. Let me do some quick math and I'll be right back. So we
16 plus 24 is 40, plus 20 is 80, plus 36 is 116, plus 19. Okay, is this for real?
Okay, so if I'm doing math right, it's a big if. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for these things combined is $125. And I just realized I think I started saying what each item costs and then I forgot. So the Tatcha masks are $12 a piece. I know I said that. Briogeo is the leave-in spray is $16. The Tarte palette is $36. The Starlux eye pencil is $19. Oh, and then the Ofra liquid lipstick is $20. So you can double check my math and correct me down below, but I believe it's $125 that all of this is worth. I paid $21, and you know, the things that I like, and I'm using all of it except for this one eye pencil. So that's a pretty good return. I'm a fan of this box. I wasn't sure that I would be. But yeah, no, it's pretty good. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have a great day, and you know, subscribe if you want to. Don't if you don't, but you're welcome to. But if you do subscribe, you should hit the bell, because then you'll get notified when I upload content, which will hopefully be fairly regularly. So anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.